This is the 14th session of the Food Safety and Quality Assurance, and the topic for today is statistical quality control for food industry. And talking about the introduction to the statistical quality control, increasing consumer demands for safe food has led food industry to build up food safety and quality systems. The food safety and quality are affected by insufficient administration, suppliers, production technologies, working environment, human sources, resources, and control activities. Hazard analysis and critical control point is a system that identifies, evaluates, and controls hazards with a significant for food safety. It is a structured, systematic approach for the control of food safety throughout the commodity system, from the farm to the plate. It requires a good understanding of the relationship between cause and effect in order to be more proactive, and is a key element in total quality management. The HACCP system has 7 elements called HACCP principles and prerequisite programs that must be in place for the system to operate effectively. HACCP is focused on two main steps, namely hazard analysis and critical control points determination. Has HACCP plan for the food processing. First step includes hazard identification, hazard assessment, preventive measurement, establishment. CCP is determination and their critical limits. The following step to carry out the HACCP plan: preparation, monitoring system, corrective actions, verification system, and related record systems on ECCPs. Statistical tools are an effective way for improving process quality and safety. A large number of managers have achieved the benefit from statistical process control implementation. Statistical process control implementation includes flowcharts, Pareto analysis, histograms, cause and effect or Ishikawa diagrams, scatter diagrams, and control charts. Control charts enable the monitoring of key variables during production, and they give warning when the process is out of control. The best known charts are the X and S charts that show the temporal variability of the average and standard deviation of the sample subgroups. SPC tools are particularly control charts for trend analysis, monitoring and evaluating the critical control points, statistically obtaining advanced warnings on the status of a critical control point and not just a pass fail classification, and measuring process outputs and identifying if they vary within statistically defined upper and lower control limits. Use of such tools is discussed by considering the locations like Balkans, Middle East, and Caucasus. Similar types products are also known as Middle East countries and the European countries. These meat products have been chosen because of the liability to deteriorate easily. Assuring HACCP effectiveness for food safety relies on application of many prerequisite programs. In addition, some processes are applied with ISO 9000 quality management system standards are used with the HACCP system. These management systems require statistical tools to have an effective implementation. Food safety and quality system. Food safety is a scientific discipline handling, preparation, and storage of the food in ways to prevent foodborne illnesses. HACCP is a management system in which food safety is addressed through the um, analysis and control of biological, chemical, and physical hazard from raw material to the end product. ISO 20000 concentrates exclusively on food safety and will instruct food producers how they can build up the food safety system itself. ISO 9000 2000 includes all management, production, distribution, and product design and service activities. TQM and ISO 9000 Quality Management System Standard. Total quality management is a comprehensive and structured approach to organizational management that seeks to improve the quality of products and services through ongoing refinements in response to continuous feedback. TQM covers to meet customer requirements, to improve team, to reduce product and service cost, and to provide continuous improvement. The basic principle for the total quality management philosophy of doing business are to satisfy the customer, satisfy the supplier, and continuously improve the business processes. ISO 9000 2000 is in fact families of standards developed to assist organization implement and operate effective quality management system. ISO 9000 consisted of quality systems that focus on documenting all quality assurance and improvement processes in a company. HACCP and ISO 20000 Food Safety Management System Standard. For the food industry, the HACCP program is currently recognized as the best approach to control food safety. Although concerns such as quality and economic adulteration are not included in the HACCP system, with the implementation of the HACCP system means greater control over production processes, which results in the improvements of both quality and safety of food. The food processing industry has long used HACCP programs to make their products safer. Applications of HACCP system in many different manufacturing processes has led to efficient prevention of adverse health effects associated with the consumption or use of the products. Continuous improvement is a management policy philosophy that approaches the challenges of product and process improvement. Specifically, continuous improvement seeks continual improvement of machinery, material, labor utilization, product quality and safety, and production methods through application of suggestions and ideas of team members. ISO 9000 Quality Management System and ISO 20000 Food Safety Management System are based on the process model, which includes the continuous improvement from suppliers to the consumer chain. Product service realization. The following points have been studied in safe product and service realization, that are as follows: planning of safe product and service, implementation of prerequisite programs, hazard and risk analysis, design, realization of purchasing and evaluating of supplier, realizing of safe product and services by the customer requirement. Process management. Process is a collection of related structured activities that produce a specific service or product from inputs given for particular customers. All of these activities are connected to each other with logic relations of process. They provide the result by using sources of an organization to attain the goals. Process management between functional units of the institution within the hierarchical in the structure of production is a simple management system that provides workflow. In addition, it is an effective management system in which responsibilities of employees are considered, inputs and outputs are clearly stated, performance criteria and the size of the success are being measured, and continuous improvement is provided. Statistical process control is defined as the application of the statistical techniques to control the process. Statistical process control is concerned with quality of performance. There are a number of tools available for the quality engineer that is effective for the problem solving process. The 7 quality tools are relatively simple but very powerful tools which every quality engineer must know. The tools are flow chart, run chart, process flow chart, check sheet, Pareto diagram, causes, effect and scatter diagram. Flow charts and process control charts. The flow charts, the check sheets and cause effect diagram, histograms and Pareto charts and scatter diagrams and process control charts are used to analyze the quality in statistical process control. That's all for this session.